Stephen Boltzmann law. Energy emitted per unit time H is given by H is equal to A E sigma T power 4. So this is the formula, energy emitted per unit time. If you carefully note, energy is power into time. Energy is equal to power into time. So energy emitted per unit time means this T comes here. So naturally this H is nothing but power. Okay. So energy emitted per unit time is given by H is equal to A E sigma T power 4. Here A is the area. A is the area. T is the absolute temperature. T is the absolute temperature. E is emissivity. E is emissivity. E is equal to 1 for perfect radiator. Then we have sigma. The value of sigma is Sigma is called Stephen Boltzmann constant. Stephen Boltzmann constant, and it is given by sigma is equal to 5.67 into 10 power minus 8 watts per meter square per Kelvin power 4. That is K power minus 4. For example, so now we have defined Stephen Boltzmann's law. Energy emitted per unit time H is given by H is equal to A E sigma T power 4. And I told you H is energy emitted per unit time. Therefore, this gives the unit for power. A is the area, E is emissivity, E is equal to 1 for perfect radiator, T absolute temperature, and sigma is Stephen Boltzmann constant. And sigma is given by 5.67 into 10 power minus 8 watt per meter square per Kelvin power 4. Okay. So for example, now we will see one example. For example, if you take tungsten used as filament in bulbs, tungsten lamp, okay, tungsten lamp at T is equal to temperature is 3000 Kelvin, surface area is equal to 0.3 centimeter square So now we know TA. Okay. For tungsten, the emissivity factor E is equal to 0.4. Now we have to find the energy emitted per unit time. That is, we have to find H. So what is the formula for H? H is equal to A E sigma T power 4. Now here in this problem we have all the data. So H is equal to A is given 0.3 centimeter into centimeter. A is known. Emissivity factor, the emissivity E is equal to 0.4 multiplied by sigma. It's a constant, Stephen Boltzmann constant, which is 5.67 into 10 power minus 8 sigma, and then we have temperature 3000 Kelvin, that is 3000 power 4, T power 4. This centi is centi. Centi means 10 power minus 2, so 10 power minus 2 into 10 power minus 2, 10 power minus 4. After simplification, you will get H is equal to 60 watts. This is the answer. So, the Stephen Boltzmann law gives an idea how about the energy emitted per unit time, which depends on emissivity factor. This is constant, leave it. It depends upon the area and the temperature. If you look at these two terms, area and temperature, area increases, the energy emitted per unit time also increases. Also, temperature increases. Temperature, you just see, it is T power 4. So when temperature increases, energy emitted per unit time also increases. And I already told you, this H is nothing but energy emitted per unit time. Therefore, energy by time is nothing but power. That's all about Stephen Boltzmann's law. Thanks for watching. Nandri.